Hey everybody, in the last year or so we've seen a huge explosion in the number of people looking for the shotgun magazine extensions for whatever defensive or competitive shotgun they bought in the last year. And really the list is Nordic Components. This is the very best piece of equipment you can buy for extending the magazine on your shotgun. So with that explosion, we've also gotten a huge number of comments and questions about exactly which nut and which tube to buy. So we built a kind of a Nordic nut and tube selector for the website. So the link will be down below that here on the website. And if you're watching this on Facebook or Instagram or somewhere like that, you'll also be able to find that link either in the bio or associated with the post. So essentially buying one of these is very, very simple. You need to get a nut that's appropriate for the shotgun. And that's one of these guys. This one happens to be for Stoeger M3000. And then you want to select the appropriate tube. The tube comes with the end cap and the mag spring. So you just need those two pieces. So if you use the builder, it'll set that all up for you. Now, the trick is once you get the nut sorted out, is figuring out the tube length you want. And we have a bunch of information in there to help you do that. But really what you're looking to do is add capacity. So +9 is going to give you 9 on top of the 3 you already have. And like your M2, that's 12 total rounds. Happens to be the appropriate number for a 3-gun match. And then all the instructions for the spring and everything are in there. After you get through all of that, there's some options. You'll see some of the hardware available, oversized controls. And then the other one is the clamp here. So we get a lot of questions whether the clamp is something you need to do. And the short answer is no. The clamp is awesome. It does do a couple of things for you. We'll give you some more rigidity, but for the most part, the tubes are very, very tough and don't require a clamp. The clamps look awesome. They do provide some more stability for the gun, but probably the most important reason to get the clamp is to add either a rail for a flashlight or something, or the QD mount for a sling. So if you were to see my competition shotgun, you will not see a clamp on there except for at matches where I have the need for a sling. One thing about the clamp is you want to install your tube just a little differently when you use the clamp. So if you're not using the clamp, just tighten everything down really good, the nut and the tube on the gun. If you're using a clamp, roll it all to tight, then back the tube out a quarter turn, and then attach the clamp. That allows the tube to float just a little bit as your barrel heats up and cools down. All right, guys, so it's just that simple. Use the Nordic Components tube and nut builder on our website and get all the parts you need. And if you have questions, probably the best way to reach us still is chat, which is just a little blue button down in the corner of the website, or you can email us sales@arnsondarms.com.